mash it with a fork, just like this. It's very simple and very quick to make. The fork, as you can see, is the main tool here which is used to make this salad. We mash it up into this kind of, well, not exactly a smooth paste, right? Well, into these tiny fragments, these small little pieces of egg. Then we take some canned tuna and add it to the salad. Go ahead and mix it all together. After we stir all of this together a little bit into a single mixture, we'll add some peas. Drain all the liquid and pour the peas into the salad. Mix it up once again. And then we add some lime. Let's mix it again. A couple spoons of sour cream. One, two. And let's mix it again. You can add salt if you want to, if there's not enough salt for you. But I wouldn't do that, because it's already very tasty, even without any extra salt. That's it. That was a very simple salad recipe. Thanks for watching until the end. I'm waiting for your likes, shares, and subscriptions. Bye.